Tight turn, ha? Drop. Test. Rocky. Turning right. Wanna stop? Tingnan mo muna. Tapos dito sa roots na to. Gonna roll it down. Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Rock, rock. Tapos ano, roots lang. Go wide, okay? Keep it rolling. Yep. Left. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Nice bear. Oh. Nice. High speed lang. Up. Roll. Okay, roll. Left side. Left turner. Good. Jump. Pedal, pedal, crest, over, roll lang yan, roll. Ah! Ah! Shit. Okay, right-hander, control your speed. Okay, drop on the left. Okay, steep onte, so sige, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Front right, front rear, I mean. Nice. Jump. Right, jump on the left. Okay, roll in the middle. Yeah, nice one, babe. Ah. Nice. Good. Nice. Hang into the right. Okay, just stop muna, stop. Okay, oh, ito yung session natin. Triple jump yan, be. Triple jump. So, come off para ma-check mo yung ano, yung ano, yung mga bay. Put it on the side para pakita ko sa iyo. Just lay, yeah. Speed bay. Nice. Nice. Woo! That's my babe. right side. Yan na yung ano, yan na yung be. So just wait. Yeah. So tingnan mo yung landing kasi you need to like pop it. Yung tight ng drop mo. Hari ko. Oh. Right? Pop yun. Yeah. Pedal be. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Skinny on the right kasi. Just high speed. Watch for narrow trees, okay? Enjoy. I'm a tall figure. I'm a unforgiving dog. Something wrong with her. Got them all bitter. I'm a bill printer. Let go, let go. Let go, let go, babe. Let go. Yan, let go, let go. Yan. Then clamp a bit and then let go. Yan. Yan.